Welcome to the future of content creation. In 2025, Synthesia has revolutionized how we make videos. Faceless YouTube channels allow creators to share content without presenting themselves on camera, maximizing privacy and creativity. With Synthesia's AI technology, video production has never been easier. Let's explore how it simplifies the process. Creating your faceless YouTube channel can be broken down into simple steps. Let's get started. Identifying a profitable niche is crucial for success. Let's explore what works best for faceless channels. From tutorials to animated storytelling, let's discuss the types of videos you can create with Synthesia's technology. Monetizing your faceless YouTube channel can be achieved through various methods like ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. SEO optimization is key to ensuring your videos reach the right audience. Let's delve into some effective strategies. Let's analyze some successful faceless channels that have leveraged Synthesia for content creation. Looking ahead, the evolution of faceless content creation holds exciting possibilities beyond 2025. Join me as we explore